What if I told you you only need two indicators, both left on default settings, to catch clean reversal signals in a choppy market? No complex math, no 15 indicators cluttering your chart, just two tools working together. Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. If you're new here, this channel is all about simple, no-nonsense trading strategies that any beginner can learn and apply, with full transparency, including the losses, not just the wins. Today's strategy combines the ZigZag indicator and the Donchian Channel. Two indicators, default settings, zero guesswork. We're working on a 15-second candlestick chart with a 1-minute expiry on every trade we take. I'll show you the exact rules, walk you through a real recorded chart, and explain exactly when this strategy shines and when you should stay away from it. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you the one market condition that can destroy this strategy if you ignore it. So don't skip that part. Before we dive in, quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves substantial risk, and past performance or back-tested results never guarantee future outcomes. Never risk money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any trading decision. Now let's break this down. This strategy uses just two indicators, both left on their default settings. Nothing customized, nothing complicated. First, the ZigZag indicator. This helps us visually identify swing highs and swing lows, so we instantly know where the market recently reversed. Second, the Donchian Channel, a simple channel that plots the highest high and lowest low over its default period, giving us a visual boundary of recent price action. Together, these two tools help us spot potential reversal zones, points where price may be running out of steam. And remember, we're reading all of this on the 15-second chart, with every trade carrying a 1-minute expiry once it's triggered. Here's how it works, step by step. For a sell setup, we want to see the ZigZag positioned above price action and price touching the upper boundary of the Donchian Channel. That tells us price has stretched to the top of its recent range. But we don't jump in immediately. We wait for a bearish confirmation candle. Only once all three conditions line up do we consider a sell, placing it on the very next candle with that 1-minute expiry. For a buy setup, it's the mirror image. ZigZag positioned below price, price touching the lower boundary of the Donchian Channel, and then a bullish confirmation candle before considering a buy. Again, entered on the next candle with the same 1-minute expiry. The key word here is confirmation. We're never entering just because price touched a line. We wait for the candle to confirm the reversal first. Now here's the part I promised you at the start. The condition that can break this strategy. This setup is built for ranging, choppy, zigzag-style markets, where price bounces between a top and bottom boundary. That's exactly the environment where ZigZag and Donchian Channel shine together on this 15-second time frame. But when the market shifts into a strong, sustained trend, this strategy struggles. In a strong trend, price can keep touching the channel boundary and just keep going, giving you false signals. So always check, is the market ranging or is it trending hard? That single judgment call can be the difference between a clean setup and a losing trade. And before we jump onto the chart, I have put together a completely free PDF guide for this exact strategy, linked in the description below. It covers everything we just went through, plus a 1-page entry checklist you can keep open on your second screen while you trade, so you never second-guess a rule mid-setup. Go grab that now, and let's keep going. Now let's jump onto the actual chart I recorded and walk through exactly how this played out in real time, including the moments where it didn't go as expected, because I want you to see the full picture, not just the highlight reel. All right. Let's look at a real trade I took using this exact strategy. Look at the chart here. The ZigZag has just formed a peak, sitting clearly above the recent candles, and at the same time, price pushed right up and touched the upper line of the Donchian Channel. That's two conditions ticked off already. Then came the moment we were waiting for. A strong bearish candle closed right at that upper boundary, confirming sellers were stepping in. All three conditions lined up, so I placed the sell entry on the very next candle, exactly as the rules say. Now watch what happens next. Price starts reacting immediately. It turns down from that upper boundary and starts pulling away from the channel top. The ZigZag begins tracing a fresh leg downward, confirming the momentum has shifted. And here's the outcome. Price continued lower, printing a clean move away from that upper channel line, and the trade closed in profit. All right, now let's move on and find another perfect setup just like this one on the chart. Now let's flip to the other side of this strategy, a buy setup. Look closely at the chart. After that strong upward run, price pulled back sharply, and the zigzag traced a fresh low right at the bottom of that pullback. At the same time, price dipped down and touched the lower line of the Donchian Channel, exactly the zone we're watching for on the buy side. Then the confirmation showed up. A solid bullish candle formed right at that lower boundary, showing buyers stepping back in. With all three conditions met, I placed the buy entry on the next candle, following the rules exactly as laid out. Here's where it gets interesting. Right after entry, you can see price start lifting away from that lower channel line, candle by candle. The pullback has clearly lost strength, and the chart is now printing higher closes as buyers take control again. And here's how it played out. Price kept climbing steadily away from that lower boundary, and the trade closed out in profit. All right, let's move ahead and look at one more setup on the chart. Let's look at one more example, and this time, I want to show you a trade that didn't go our way, because that's just as important to understand as the wins. Here, price had just formed a swinging high, and the zigzag was sitting above the recent candles. Price pushed up and touched the upper line of the Donchian Channel, and a bearish candle formed right at that boundary, confirming the setup. All three conditions were met, so the sell was placed on the next candle, exactly by the rules. But watch closely what happens right after entry. Instead of reversing down, price pauses briefly and then pushes straight back up, breaking above that same boundary it had just touched. The zigzag line starts curving upward again, which is an early sign that momentum never actually shifted in our favor. The market kept climbing instead of turning. And here's the outcome. Price continued higher, and this trade closed as a loss. This is exactly the scenario I warned you about earlier in the video. This strategy is built for ranging, back and forth markets. And when the market is actually in a strong upward push like this one, even a textbook-looking setup can fail. That's not the strategy being wrong. That's the market condition being wrong for this strategy, and recognizing the difference is what separates consistent traders from the rest. So here's your takeaway from today. This zigzag and Donchian channel setup can work beautifully in choppy, ranging conditions, but always check the bigger picture before entering, because no strategy wins every single time. If this breakdown, wins and losses both, helped you understand price action a little better, hit subscribe and stay connected, because there's a lot more real, unfiltered trading content coming your way on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.